What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're looking for magnetic mount holsters for your pistol, you might want to check out these. Hey, I just picked these up on Amazon, and they're mount holster magnets, and I really like these, especially if you're going to mount into anything, a box, a safe, whatever, because it can just be a lot easier to grab a pistol or a tool, whatever, when it's just connected with a magnet, because it just pulls off. And now, one of the mistakes, and I should call it one of the rookie mistakes I used to make when I was just a youngin', was that I would try to get the magnet with the highest weight rating possible. And that's kind of dumb, because the things can actually get stuck to it really, really well, so much so that they can be hard to pull off. So I've kind of found that you only want as much weight or magnetism as you need. Now, it does come with some screws and some anchors here, so you can mount it into the wood. It looks like we've got a double-sided piece of tape here, so you can just tape it. And here is the magnet itself. Now, what you can see here is that the magnet, rare earth magnet, I think enclosed in metal. You can see we have 4 holes there. This magnetic case is slightly recessed in this plastic housing. So we have this polymer plastic housing. It's got a little X pattern texture right there, and it says Folio, kind of like Forleo, Maria Forleo, if you know who she is. The has a slightly rounded edge, so you don't have to worry about kind of rocking things off and catching them on an edge. And the plastic is going to be much softer and not mar anything. Now, how strong is this? I'm holding my hand here, and you can see it's not super big. It's, about the size of a pistol grip or, a USB hub or something like that. But I have my full-size VP9 right here, and I'm just gonna put it up top there, and no problems, even under shaking, and holy smokes, that holds that sucker in really well. And I think this is a 25-pound magnet. So if you want to be able to put something, like up against a wall and not have it come out, or even under a dash mount or something like that, this is going to be the right thing. And man, I'll tell you what, this thing is pretty strong. So it's more than you're going to need. Hey, if you want to check this out, it was pretty inexpensive. It comes with all the little accessories that you saw here. I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.